Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you a makeup tutorial of my silk green eyeshadow look I did a couple of months ago, and I'm just starting off with my skincare. As usual, I'm using the simple toner and a cotton pad just to cleanse my face a little bit, help remove some oils, and then I'm going in with my hydrating light moisturizer, also by Simple, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face using a brush. I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I've chosen the illuminating one just because I want a bit of a glow today, and I'm just going to apply that onto a cotton pad and use the foundation brush and apply it all over my skin. I love the glow that this primer gives, and it's such a nice base before applying foundation. Now I'm using the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. It's my current favorite foundation. And I'm applying this onto a cotton pad and taking a foundation brush and then applying it onto my forehead, my nose, my cheeks, and the rest of my face. I'm going to use the foundation brush and just blend that in, and once I get a smooth kind of finish, then I'm going to move on to the next step. Now I'm taking my NARS concealer. This is the Radiance Concealer, and I've gone for a couple of shades lighter, and I'm using it on my forehead, under my eyes, and just any area on my face that I want to highlight. So like the bridge of my nose and my cheek plain, and just anywhere that I want the light to hit and make look like, illuminated. And this is going to help with contouring later. And I'm using a makeup sponge and some Fix Plus just to dampen it a bit, and this is going to help with blending the highlight. I'm just using a dabbing motion just to blend the highlight in with the sponge, and I'm not pressing too harshly. I'm just literally just dabbing it until it all blends in nicely. Now I'm taking my powder. I'm using the Estee Lauder powder and this powder brush. The 150 by MAC is my favorite powder brush. I'm just going to powder the highlight areas just to make sure that that stays on. Then I just dust a bit more powder around the face just to get everything nice and set. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie with the same brush, and I'm just making a duck face and then bronzing my cheeks and my temples and my jaws. Now I'm going to do my brows, and I'm taking the Spiked Brow Pencil by MAC. Comes with a spoolie, so that's really handy to brush through my brows, get off any foundation or any concealer that's still on it. And then I'll go in with the other side of the brush, which is the pencil side, just to fill in the sparse areas and give my eyebrow a bit more of a better shape. I'm going in with one of my favorite eye sort of like base pencils. It's discontinued now, but you can find something similar as long as it has like an olivey green look or finish. Just apply it onto the eyes. It's going to serve as a base before putting on any color. And then you just use a brush to blend it in. I'm using the 217 by MAC. It's a very good eyeshadow blending brush. And I'm just doing windshield wiper motions and just blending it into the crease area. I'm going in with Texture, which is kind of like a tan brown matte color, and then applying this onto the crease. It's a great transition color. It helps everything blend very nicely. I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush and my Laura Mercier palette. There's a gorgeous green in there. And I'm just taking it on the brush, packing it on. And then I'm just going to apply this to the eyelid, starting off in the center and then just working my way to the outside. Now I'm just taking the blending brush and then just blending that eyeshadow into the brown crease color. I'm taking the shadow brush and the Laura Mercier green and I'm just applying it to my lower lash line just to give it a smoky look. Doing the same on the other side. Now for my mascara, I'm using the Fenty Beauty mascara and it's a really great mascara. It's one of my favorites at the moment. And I'm just going to brush that through my lashes. If I go for a glam look, this is when I'll also start prepping my lashes for falsies, but because this is like a natural everyday look, I'm sticking to just the mascara. I'm just going to do this on my lower lash line as well, on my lower lashes. Now onto my lips. I'm taking the Chestnut lip liner from MAC and I'm just going to draw a line on my lip line. And this is going to serve as kind of like an ombre effect for the color that I'm choosing later. Everyone needs chestnut in their beauty bag. Trust me, you will not go wrong with this. Now I'm going in with my MAC lipstick, Kinda Sexy. And I'm just going to apply that onto my lips, dabbing, brushing, just getting the color in. And I'm just going to blend it together just by just pressing my lips together. I'm going in with this Kylie lip gloss. It's a clear gloss. And I'm just going to apply that onto the lips to give it a glossy look. I'm going to grab my Fix Plus spray, apply it all over my skin, and there we have it. That's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like the look. And if you do try out this look, make sure you share it with me on social media at ShirleyBAnyang. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Can I get your number, baby? I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow?